So how to create QR code of Wi-Fi password on your iPhone? For that you have to shortcut apps on your iPhone. If you don't have, then you can easily download it from your app store. Type shortcuts and this is it. You can, I already have, so I am just opening. This is the interface. First of all, you have to go your gallery option. Press on gallery. Then you see shortcut for accessibility. You have to press on this. Then access tools. From access tools, you need to select keyword your Wi-Fi. This option. Press on it, and then press on add shortcut. Then keep both or replace. I want to replace it. Then go to shortcut. Again press on shortcut, this button, and press on this icon, and here you have to put your Wi-Fi name. This is my Wi-Fi name. Done. And now you have to put your password. This is my Wi-Fi password, and then press on done. Your QR code is already created. So now you want to share with your friend. Double click on it and press on this icon, and from now you can easily save as image or send it to your any friend or email or anything. Now this image are saved on my gallery. You just need to share this image or scan this image to share your Wi-Fi password to others. This is how you can easily create QR code on your iPhone. Hope you enjoy. Please do subscribe and thumbs up if you like it. Thank you.